Thinking about joining a prop firm? Watch this before you choose. Today we're comparing FundedNext and the 5 Rs. Both are prop trading firms. They give you funded accounts so you can trade without risking your own money. Let's start with FundedNext. FundedNext offers multiple challenge types and account options. You can earn profit splits and even get rewards during evaluation. It's popular for its flexibility and scaling plans. Now, the 5 years, the 5 years is more focused on long-term growth. It offers instant funding programs and steady scaling over time. It's designed for consistent traders. Here's the main difference. Funded Next is more flexible with different plans. The 5 years is more focused on steady long-term trading, looking at features. Funded Next offers different challenges, scaling, and profit sharing. The 5 ARs offers instant funding, lower risk rules, and long-term scaling. In terms of rules, Funded Next can have stricter evaluation phases. The 5 years often has simpler and more trader friendly rules. Now, payouts both offer profit splits, but the 5 years focuses more on consistent growth, while Funded Next offers faster rewards in some plans. Now, pricing. Both require upfront fees depending on account size. So, Funded Next is better for flexibility and faster opportunities. The 5 ARS is better for long term consistency. So, which one should you choose? Choose Funded Next if you want more options and faster rewards. Choose the 5 years if you prefer steady growth and simpler rules. Both have pros and cons. It depends on your trading style. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.